Hi, this is Jennifer A. Menza, and this is a midweek update. I have a few notes on my piece of paper. I got my hair shaved on March 28th. Um, that was last Saturday, and the reason I shaved my head bald is because I was really wanting to go natural, and the barbershops are closed in my area. I live in Columbus, Ohio, and my governor, DeWine, he was really ahead of things. So as soon as it got here in Ohio, he started closing everything like right away. He closed everything, the restaurants, the um, the salons, the schools. He did it like quick, real quick, and so that's why we don't have that many deaths here in Ohio. And so he just closed everything right away. And so um, because of that, I wanted to go natural. And so I was watching all these natural people on YouTube, cutting their hair, shaving their hair. But since I had a stay-at-home order, it was like I couldn't go out unless it was for groceries. And so it wasn't really my time to go for groceries. So, because I usually go to Walmart or Kroger's, and so I was like, and I really didn't want to go out unless I needed to, because I didn't want to get sick. And so I was one night. I think that Saturday, I was watching a couple natural girls, and so then I was like, I think I can do it. And so then I went and looked at my husband's trimmers. They were like not a big clipper, not big clippers, but like a medium, like small one. And so I went and looked at his, but his didn't have any guards. And so I was like trying to see how how low they would go. And so then I just put them in, boop, you know, it it had took off a whole side. And so then I was like, well, I gotta go ahead and shave all the hair. So then I just started, and the type of clippers they wore, it didn't make, because some people I watched on YouTube, it made their hair kind of peasy, and they had to keep, it was like really hard for them to get the hair off. But the clippers I had was like really, it made it real smooth to get the hair off. And so it was real easy for me to get. And then I held one mirror in the front, and then used my medicine cabinet in the back, so I could see the back. And then I shaved off the back. I have been finding some hairs that I didn't get off, like in the side, in my neck, on behind my ear. I had I had left one of my edges, so I've been going back every day, shaving one part of my ear. I meant to bring the product I showed in my first shaved hair video. It's called Ten Skin, and I got it. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm choked up. And I got it from Amazon, and it helped with razor bumps and ingrown hairs, and I used that on my head. And I didn't know that I was supposed to clarify that off. So a couple of days ago, I clarified that off, and it seems like I'm getting more growth now. And so that's the only suggestion I would tell someone that used that. Make sure you clarify that off so that it doesn't hinder your growth. And oh, showers now with no hair are amazing. The showers are amazing, because I always wash. It might just be because I never washed my hair in the shower, but since I was bald, I'm like, oh, I just wash my hair in the shower. 'Cause I usually wash my hair in the sink, and so I was like, oh, I don't have any hair, so I'll just jump in the shower and wash it. And the shower is so amazing. Um, it's so amazing. And I had my last relaxer was on March 20th. I don't know if that's why it's taking my hair a while to come in, but I'm not mad at it. Um, yeah, I said sometimes I relax my hair, but I prefer to be natural. So like when they closed all the barbershops and everything, I was a little upset because I prefer to go to the barbershop. They do a better job than I do, and I usually when I go to the barbershop I don't get it all cut off, but you know I didn't have any other choice since I didn't have any guards on the clippers. But next, if I did it again, I would buy a clipper with guards on it. But I don't think I'll do this again. I think when my hair grows back, it'll be healthier, and I don't think I'm gonna perm it again because like usually when I go natural, it has a lot of perm on it, and I'm just I wasn't satisfied. So now this time it'll be all natural. Well, comment, rate, and subscribe.